Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel. If you enjoy my way of explanation, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates on my new videos. In today's video, I'm going to do 6.1 from module 2. I'll guide you step by step to make the solution easy to understand. Make sure you follow carefully and note down the key points. If you're finding this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave your questions or feedback in the comment section. Let's start Module 2 6.1 Part 2. First question, sketch each angle in a standard position. So you're going to sketch this angle. Okay, right. So already we sketched the angle which is given in theta. Now we are going to sketch the angle in radian. So the first question is pi over 3 and the second question is minus 2 pi over 3. You should be careful with this minus, right? Yes. Pi is nothing but 180 divided by 3, which is equal to how much? 60 degree, right? Similarly, I'm going to do this also, right? Which one? Which is going to be what? The 150 degree we did it and 30 degree we did it. Now we are going to do it in what? Radian measures, right? So which is going to become minus 2 into 180 divided by 3. So let's go to the calculator and we put all these things. 2 multiply 180 divided by 3, which is equal to 120 degree, right? So let's sketch this one, right? 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360, right? So now your angle is how much? 60 degree. So we are going to draw 60 in between this and this. So this is your 60 degree, almost 60 to 90, right? Only sketch. They didn't ask any quadrant. Okay, right. Now we are going to sketch the next one, which is minus 2 pi by 3, right? So this minus means you have to be very careful. Plus means you are going in this direction. Okay, and minus means you are going in this direction. Okay, right. So let's draw this one, right? 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Sorry, this is the one 360 degree, right? So let's start 120. So we are going 0 to 90 here, right? And 180 this one, so it's automatically you're going to be in this place. So this is your negative position, which is minus 120 degree, right? So minus 120 degree. So this is 60 is equal to pi over 3 and this negative 120 is equal to negative 2 pi over 3. So this is your question. Sketch each angle in the standard position. Next we go for two things. Number one is arc length. We are going to find the arc length of the curve. So that is the formula. S is equal to r theta. S is the arc length, okay, and r is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle, especially central angle, okay, which is inside the circle, central angle, and which is always measured in radians. One important thing you have to be very careful in this exercise. What is that? For arc length, always theta must be in radians. Suppose if the theta is given in degrees, please convert into radian and then start the question. That's why I've given the second point. If the angle is given in degrees, convert into radians. After that, you start your question. This is the formula to convert into radians. We studied in the last video. Pi divided by 180. Let's start the first question. Find the length of arc. So what is the question? Yes is the question mark. And the radius 3 meters. R is equal to 3. Intercepted by the angle. So theta is equal to 2 radian. Already given in radians. So no need to convert into radians. So what is the formula? Arc length S is equal to R theta. Just now I told you the formula, right? So what is your radius given in the question, which is 3, and theta is given as 2. So S is equal to 6. Arc length is equal to 6. Right? Let's go to the next question. Find the radian measure. What do you mean by radian measure? They are asking theta. So the question is theta. That is theta they are asking. Of the circle of radius 700 meters. So R is given as 700 meters. Okay. That intercepts the arc length 3.5 kilometers. So S is equal to arc length, okay, which is given as 3.5 kilometers. 3.5 kilometers. Okay, right. Now what is the question? The question is find the angle. Angle means they are asking theta. So we have the formula S is equal to R theta. And I want theta. I want what? Theta. So what can I do? I need theta. So I have to divide by R. Divide by R. So S by R is equal to what? Theta. So this is your formula. S is given 3.5 kilometers. R is given, and we are going to calculate theta. Right? And the theta must be the radian measure. Right? Yes. So how we are going to calculate? Before that, just see, this is given in meters, this is given in kilometers. Which one is big one? Of course we know we're driving a car, so kilometers is the big one compared to meters. So I'm going to convert this meters into kilometers. So both must be in the same units. That's very important. So 700 meters I'm going to convert into kilometers. How? So 700 divided by 1000, you know, right? Yes. So this equals, which is equal to 0.7 kilometer km. So now what I'm going to do, S is equal to, which is 3.5 divided by 0.7, which is equal to 5 from the calculator, which is equal to theta. So the 5 is a radian measurement. 5 radian. Very simple, right? So the only thing is you have to convert this meters either into kilometers or kilometers to meters. No problem. Both are allowed. Next, go for another formula. How to find the area of the sector. Okay. How to find the area of the sector, right? So how to find it? So the formula is A equals half R square theta. So A means area, right? Half is the scalar, and that means is a number. R square, which is the radius square, right? And theta, we know it is angle, especially central angle. Here also you should be very careful. The angle must be in radians. If not, if the angle is not radians, if it is given in degree, for example, you need to convert into radians using this formula which we studied in the last video. Right. So what is that? Find the area of the circle. So what is the question? The question is they are asking find the area of the circle. So area needs to find. What is given? The given is of radius R is equal to 1.4. So R is equal to 1.4, and the central angle is given as what? 330 degree. So what I said, if the angle is given in 330 degrees, you must be convert into what? A radians. So angle is nothing but 330 multiplied by pi by 180. This is your theta. Must convert into radian. Keep in your mind. Right, let's go for area. Area, the formula is equal to, right? Area, the formula is equal to what? Half R square theta. Half R square theta. Right. So which is equal to half R square 1.4 square, and the theta is 330 multiplied by pi by 180. This is the whole thing theta. Because it was in degree, I converted into radian using this formula. All together we are going to put in the calculator. 142 1.5 the whole square, and then 330, and then this multiply, which is going to become 539 pi, which is divided by 300, or you can also write in decimal, which is 5.64. Both the answers are correct. Okay, right. So this finishes your 6.1, the one which is the basic talk, that is the basic concepts of angles and measurement. Okay, right. So what are the things we studied? We studied all the ideas, how to draw the sketch, how to convert the degree to radian, how to find the positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal angle, and how to sketch the angles which is in radian measure, and arc length we studied, and area also we studied, right? So that's it for today's video. I hope this explanation helped you to understand the concept better. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching Dr. Zahir Math. See you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning. Bye bye.